Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you see me redo my interpretation of this Anthropologie pointillism wall art. This almost $700 price tag was way too steep for me. So I decided to pay a visit to Michael's, my local craft store, and do it myself. This unfinished plaque with brown frame is from Michael's Make Market collection. I purchased it for about $27, although they sell it in a pack of 6 online for $104, saying that it's $17.48 each, but that was not my experience. I actually went to the store and just got one, and again, I just paid $27 for it. And here I'm using my finger, pressing down ever so slightly to create a random pattern on the unfinished plaque. I'm using the color Tricorn Black by Sherwin. It was some paint I had lying around, and I decided to use it for this project. As I was doing this project, it was so oddly satisfying, just dipping my finger in the paint and putting it on the artwork. It reminded me of being in class as a kid, and I was always excited to do finger painting. Kind of weird, but just kind of took me back there for a minute. Once I achieved the desired amount of circles on the plaque, I then went to the next step. Off camera, I measured and mitered 4 36-inch length, 3/8 inch width square hardwood dowels. I purchased them at Home Depot and they were $1.76 each. I'll be sure to link them in the description box below. But here you see me painting the 3 sides, actually, of the dowels in the same Tricorn black color. Next, I'll use the Gorilla Glue spray adhesive in order to spray the unfinished side of the Square Dowels. This side will actually be adhering to the inner portion of the plaque. And now, while wearing some protective gloves, I'm going to adhere the wooden dowel adhesive side down to the inner portion of the plaque. Doing it this way allows me to adhere it without having to nail it or use any silicone, and I mitered it pretty tight, so it's not going to go anywhere once I press it down. And here is the reveal. This was a very fun project to do. Got to use my hands. Took me way back to some childhood memories, and it was very soothing, very therapeutic as I was creating this piece. And it came in way under budget. I paid about $27 for the plaque itself, unfinished, and I had some paint lying around, so that was zero cost. The inside of the painting, the black stripe, that was Square Dowels. I paid about close to maybe $8, I believe. So for under $40, I don't think I did too bad, considering the original was close to $700. So again, this was my interpretation of it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.